Hello, I'm Dr. Stephanie West. I'd like to share with you not only what the GED Reading and Language Pathways program includes, but why I created it and how it is working with my own students. As a reading specialist with more than 30 years of experience in literacy instruction, I have worked with students across grade levels, including adult learners preparing for the GED. For years, I have searched for structured, skill-based lesson that I could confidently use with my own developing reading students. What I found were large workbooks, often hundreds, sometimes over 1,000 pages filled with practice questions. But they lacked something essential. There was very little direct instruction, very little modeling of thinking, very little explanation of why an answer was correct or why the others were not. Students were practicing, but they were not being explicitly taught. So I created the program I wished had existed. The GED Reading and Language Pathways program provides explicit, structured instruction aligned to the specific reading skills the GED measures. Each of the 14 modules concentrates on one primary reading skill while intentionally incorporating the full range of related standards students must master. These modules are grouped into instructional blocks so teachers can deliver the content in clear sequence chunks. Each module targets one essential reading skill essential on or assessed on the GED, such as identifying main ideas, analyzing tone and word choice, evaluating claims and evidence, understanding text structure, or comparing paired passages. But the true goal is deeper: to build independent, strategic readers who know how to think through complex information with confidence. Every module includes a structured instructional slide deck ranging from 55 to 85 slides, 8 to 10 short embedded instructional videos modeling how to think through the questions, 10 to 12 GED-style practice sets built to mirror the structure and distractor patterns on the exam. Each module moves through 3 clear levels: build, where the skill is explained and modeled; strengthen, where you practice with guidance; and then challenge, where they apply the skill independently to complex passages, demonstrating the level of analysis expected on the GED test. I am currently using these modules with my own students, and I am seeing measurable progress in their confidence, accuracy, and ability to explain their reasoning. They are no longer guessing. They are identifying patterns and answer choices. They are articulating why an answer is correct. They are building stamina and skill in a way that traditional workbook-only programs do not produce. That progress is what confirms this structure. Explicit instruction works. For instructors, this provides a flexible, ready-to-implement pathway that can be used for whole group instruction, small group intervention, independent assignments, or targeted remediation, while reducing preparation time and increasing instructional clarity. But most importantly, it gives students what they truly need: direct instruction that leads to real growth. When reading skills are taught clearly and systematically, progress follows. To understand how the program is organized, review the instructional blocks listed below. To experience the design and pacing firsthand, begin with Module 0, the guided orientation to the structure and teaching approach. Thank you for all that you do with our students, with these adult learners, with all of our students across all ages in reading. We are here to build successful readers.